Sutra of the Merit and Virtue of the Past Vows of Medicine Master Vaidurya Light Tathagata. The first great vow. I vow that in a future life, when I attain Anuttara Samyak Sambodhi, my body will shine with dazzling light that will illumine measureless, countless, boundless worlds. My body will be adorned with the 32 heroic features and the 80 subsidiary characteristics, and I will enable all beings to become as I am. The second great vow. I vow that in a future life, when I attain Bodhi, my body will be as bright and clear as Vaidurya, flawlessly pure, vastly radiant, majestic with merit and virtue, abiding at ease, adorned with blazing nets brighter than the sun and the moon. Beings dwelling in darkness will be illuminated and will succeed in all their endeavors. The third great vow. I vow that in a future life, when I attain Bodhi, I will, by means of limitless, unbounded wisdom and skill in means, enable all sentient beings to obtain an inexhaustible supply of material necessities, so they are without the slightest want. The fourth great vow. I vow that in a future life, when I attain Bodhi, I shall lead those sentient beings who practice deviant paths to reside in the way of Bodhi, and those who travel on the vehicles of the Hira or Pratyeka Buddha to abide in the great vehicle. The fifth great vow. I vow that in a future life, when I attain Bodhi, I shall enable limitless and boundless numbers of sentient beings who cultivate Brahma conduct within my Dharma to perfectly uphold the 3 clusters of precepts without exception. Should there be any violation, upon hearing my name, they will regain their purity and not fall into the evil destinies. The sixth great vow. I vow that in a future life, when I attain Bodhi, if there are sentient beings whose bodies are inferior and whose faculties are imperfect, who are ugly, dull, blind, deaf, mute, deformed, paralyzed, hunchbacked, or afflicted with skin disease, insanity, or various other sicknesses and sufferings, upon hearing my name they shall all become endowed with upright features, keen intelligence, and perfect faculties, and they shall be free of sickness and suffering.